Hello friends, my name is Janil Singhania and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Software. Today in this video I am going to teach you how you can use SQLite as a database with Python. If you want to create a project with a database, then you can use SQLite because it is very easy to use with Python. So in this video I am going to teach you live how you can use this with Python. So first let's open PyCharm. It will take some time to load, so just wait. Okay, it is loaded. Now the first step is to create a project. So click on file, here new project, and we will get a screen like this. By clicking on this file icon, we can choose a directory in which we want to create our project. In my case it is E drive, so I will select E and then OK. After the directory name, we have to type a name for our Python project. So I will type SQLite project. One more thing we have to do, if this radio button is checked in your case, then please select this radio button and now create and this window. It will take some time to create this project into our system. Okay, it's done. Now we can see that our project with SQLite project in E drive is created successfully. Now it's time to create a Python file. So just right click on project name, here new and Python file. We have to type a name for our Python file. I am just using program, but it is not compulsory for you. You can type any name for your project as well as Python file. So press enter and a program.py Python file is created successfully into our system. Now it's time to code. So the first step is to create a database in SQLite. So before doing this, I'm just going to open my project directory so that you can see the changes. SQLite, okay, yeah, okay, this is the project directory. Now it's time to create database. So I have already made a complete post on this. You can visit this post. Actually this is my website and I have given the link of my website in the description area. You can get the complete code of this. So just I am going to copy this code here to create the database. Actually in this video I'm just going to show you the live practical how you can use SQLite with Python. So I am just making this video to you. Okay, the first line is import SQLite 3. This is a module and there is no need to install any other library to use it because it is inbuilt into the Python. Okay, the second line is to create a name with database. So here the student is a name of database, and don't forget to add .db because db is the extension for database file. And at last I have printed a message like database created successfully. Now before doing this, you can see there is no database file inside our project directory. Okay, now it's time to run. So right click on coding section and here run program. Now a message database created successfully. Now visit the folder and it's a magic like a student database file is created successfully. Now it's time to create a table into our database. Okay, so I will again visit my website and here I will copy this code. To make this video very short, I am just using my codes. Okay, because if I will type this code live, then it will take much more time. So here first to open the database and here is a message, and now you can leave this message, don't need. Okay, now I'm going to create a table for a student registration, and you can see that here create table and it is the table name like student registration, and the first field is a student ID, next name, contact, email, roll number and branch. Execute is a predefined function which is used to execute the query. Now just run this code. Here I will right click on this and just run program, and we will get a message like table student registration created successfully. Now database is created and table is created successfully. Now it's time to insert data into it. So I will visit my website and here just I'm going to copy this code and here copy, and just I'm going to paste here, and this is the message. Just remove it, and here I'm just going to insert two records into our table, and the first record is of student Raju and the second is the result of student Nancy. Now just right click on it and here just click on run program. Now we can see that a message records inserted successfully. Now it's time to display the records. So I will copy the code here. Okay, now just right click on it and here click on run program, and just you can match the record with that we have inserted into our table. So first I'm just going to here can match the record. The student name is Raju and here name is Raju, and the contact is 9179876567, and the second student is Nancy and the contact you can. Now it's time to update the data into table. So I am just going to suppose we have to update the roll number of Nancy. You can update anything from this data, but I am just going to teach you how you can update the roll number of Nancy. So I will visit my website and I will just again explain it to you. So I will copy this code first and here I will paste. Now this is the import library. I have imported SQLite 3. Now it's time to open our database. Now just remove this line and here just focus on this query. Update a student registration means we have to do some update in a student registration table. A student roll number, we have to set a student roll number and the value of this roll number is MCA325, and where a student ID is 2, and you can say that the student ID 2 is Nancy, is the student whose ID is 2. So it will make changes into the roll number of Nancy, and the previous roll number is MCA225 and the new will be MCA325. And just after this query I have again display the record. So just right click on it and we have to run program and just see the changes. The first is MCA225 and the updated is MCA325. Now the last thing in this video I am going to teach is how you can delete data from table. So just I am going to type here delete from table name. Table name is a student registration and where student ID is 2. If I will pass here 1, the record of student Raju will be deleted, but I am going to pass 2 and this query will delete the record of Nancy. And after this I have just leave this code to display the record and just going to run this code, and will notice here the record of Nancy is deleted successfully. So it is the live practical how you can use SQLite in Python. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then just let me know by comment. I will definitely fix it for you, and in the next upcoming video I will make a video on how you can create an graphical user interface based login with SQLite and registration page with SQLite, and in the upcoming you will get a lot of project with source code. So just if you are a new user on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and visit my website. I have already uploaded many projects with source code and the link of my website is given in the description area. And thanks for watching this video.